So, advice for part 2. Number 1, choosing the topic. Do we choose A or do we choose B? The secret here, choose quickly. You only have 1 minute. 1 minute is not a long time. Choose the one which you're most confident about. What is important when choosing a training course? What is important when booking a hotel for a business trip? Don't change your mind. Bum, bum, ping, pong, ping, pong. If you change your mind, you waste time. You waste your minute. We're going to choose B. Next thing, preparation. Remember, you only have 1 minute. The secret here is think of something to say for each point. Something to say for the first point, something to say for the second point, something to say for the third point. It doesn't have to be interesting, but try to make it intelligent. Now remember, only 1 minute is not a long time. I think a good idea here would be for you to make notes on the piece of paper that you have in your own language. If you spend time thinking about what you're going to say in English, you're going to use your minute of preparation. So make notes in your own language, one thing for each point. What if one of these things you're not sure about? You know what location is, you know what facilities is, but you're not sure about charges. And what do you do then? Well, you could guess. You could make an intelligent guess. You could work it out. Location, the place, facilities in the hotels, the services, the things they have. What's missing? What is missing? It's money. Charges is about money. And if you want to make sure, you could ask the examiner when you speak. You could say, sorry, I'm not sure what charges are. Is it money? I imagine the examiner would say yes. And it looks good. Okay, the next part is the speaking. And I'm going to give you some phrases that you could use while you're speaking. Okay, first. So, there are a number of things to think about when booking a hotel for a business trip. When thinking about location, for example, it is important to consider The airport and the station. Is the hotel near the airport or the station so that we can get there easily? It is also important to think about facilities. For example, if we are going to do business meetings, then we need rooms for our business meetings. We need meeting rooms. Does the hotel have meeting rooms for us? Finally, the charges. We have to think about the charges. We have to know the charges before we book the hotel. Do we have enough money for the hotel? Is it expensive? Is it in our budget? So these are things we can use, phrases, sentences that we can use when we're talking about these subjects. Okay, on to the next part. And finally, part 3. This is a conversation. That's a conversation between you and the other candidate. The examiner tells you what to talk about. The examiner gives you a situation. The examiner also gives you a list of ideas or a picture. Something to help you. You speak for 2 minutes. And one of the secrets here is don't be scared to disagree with the other candidate. If you disagree with the other candidate, you talk more. If you agree with everything that he or she says, you talk less. Now the examiner wants to hear you speaking, wants to hear you talking, so don't be scared to disagree. Debate is good, discussion is good. So, good luck and goodbye.